afternoon. Blessed Life. Look what we're getting ready to do, guys. We're about to go on there, so I'll be back here in just a minute.
Adams Tower at
Oh, baby. I've never done this before. Tammy, what do you think about that?
Not so good going up. A little better coming down. Once we got up there, it was okay. But going up, I closed my eyes. He said, "Don't close your eyes. It makes it worse." Trust me, it makes it worse.
It was
Don't
awesome.
Close your eyes. You have to really enjoy it. But their airspace is limited here at the fair. But we had fun.
It was fun.
Oh my God.
Your hashtag for today is going to be hashtag helicopter. Hashtag helicopter. Oh, look what Tammy. Actually, I won it, but
You
Tammy
won
paid for
it.
it, but I won it.
She played the guacamole game.
The whack-a-mole.
The whack-a-mole game.
All right, have a good one, guys.